much late to be making this video or to be uploading this video when you're seeing this, but I think it's almost important to start the year like that. Okay, this was stupid. Again, so this is me, oops, opening this, seeing what's in it, and me doing all of the crazy stuff that I could do. I really liked how I wrote this. Anyhow, so let me show you what else I have written over here. Can you see? Yep, there you go. Oops, I have something here as well. Did you see it inverted? No. Ooh! This side, I guess. Come on. Great. So yeah, it's as important as beginning the year. So let's get right into it. I wanted to upload this video by 2021, but that did not happen. So this is me reflecting on 2021 in 2022. Okay, Happy New Year though, I forgot to say you that. Sorry. Ha! So as it opens, it says something like this. Stay happy, stay safe. Because you know, COVID and all of that. So let me just unload all of the chits from here and then I'll read them one by one by the numbers. And yes, of course, the last week is not included. The 52nd week of the year 2021 couldn't be included because I'm shooting this on today's 27th of December. So sorry for that. Come on. Hey. One is stuck over there, let's see. Okay, so this is empty. Let's keep this aside. Let's get right into, oops, these. Okay. Together, I can't shoot like that. So I have to see where is number one though. It must be in the small chits, okay? This is number one. Can you see? Focus, yeah. And the date was 2nd of Jan last year. Oh, this is when you're seeing this video probably. Oh great, it's 1 year. I got my Divine Wine delivered today. Divine Wine is a lipstick that I generally use. Almost this colored lipstick that I wear. Okay, so let's keep this back into this boxes. Number one is done. Number two. Yeah, and the date is 9th of Jan. Oops, sorry, this sound sucks. Ma just turned it on now and you know, bad luck. Anyhow, let's see. This chit says, I was supposed to get my diaries delivered today, but I got it a couple of days ago. I started writing in one and the other has board meanings written. I'm writing in them. So also I've started learning Spanish. Yeah, this is when I started learning Spanish. So that's the chit. So bye. The chit. Then we go in. Alright, let's see. Chit 333. Oh, chit 3 is actually a bigger one. So, yeah. And it says 16th Jan 2021. Haha, it's 18th already. So that means I forgot to write it on a Saturday and I wrote it on Monday probably if it's 18th. Oh, that sound, please cooperate. It says today's note has to be a larger one because it's Monday, not a Saturday. But the date would be or will be of Saturday. Last week we all planned for Sunday's or past trip. A Sunday's trip? Oh, Sunday's trip meant we went to my uncle's house probably. But really? No, shouldn't be. In the drawing class, we discussed about traveling. Then in the evening in the Hindi class, my my internet was exhausted and I used the Wi-Fi of my neighbor, which I do quite often. I mean, I steal the Wi-Fi. The password suddenly matched. Let me tell you, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, bye-bye. So what was this? I don't know. So, it's pretty cool. I like how I steal my neighbor's Wi-Fi, and please, oh God, don't let them see this video. Number 4. 4 is a bigger one too. You can see it's the 23rd of Jan when we went there, I guess. 23rd Jan 2021. I went to Batanagar. Oh, I returned probably that day. No, I went. Really? I don't know. Hindi class was off due to Netaji's birthday. Oh man. Drawing class had a funny thing. It didn't happen though. Mane? Oh. I'll tell you the story. There was a full lovely but awkwardly different situation in Batanagar. Pillows were replaced by shawls, sweaters and clothes. I'm still writing on 28th. Yes, had to be. You know, it's written on 28th. So if you want to see the shit or the notes, there you go. I was thinking like I went on 23rd and how is it written on that day? Anyhow, so this is over too. Yeah. Trick 5. Fifth. Please, that sound! I can't tolerate it. I mean, I'm feeling bad. Written on 1st Feb. Okay. So the date, it was written for 30th of Jan. So it says, drawing class done, happily and peacefully. Video uploaded. Sunday was for another upload on Creative Ideas. Didi painted on my drawing. I recorded that and uploaded. One day I uploaded. Sunday wasn't my upload dates. What I was doing, what was I doing? I don't know anyhow. But six. Written on 6th Feb. Great. Ouch. Oh. It should have been written on 6th, but it was written on 8th. It's Monday already. This week has been pretty fun so far, and I completely loved it. Sorry for this horrible handwriting, but I can't have it any better now at the moment. Like, look at it. How can I hold this with you? Yep. Seventh! Like this washing machine. Oh God. I mean, I'm going to say sorry to you for this so many times. It was written on 13th of Feb last year, and it's chit number 7. Had a hectic week, but it's such a calming Saturday. The drawing class has been postponed for now for no reason though. So it was all a loving love. Like, this is what Atri Chandra writes when she has nothing to write. Look at it. Focus. I hope it has. 8th and for 20th of Feb. I can't always say you the date because we never know. Had such a wonderful week, or rather a wonderful week. Wonderful week or wonderful week with all these Saraswati Puja vibe and gatherings at our home and playing 29 and chess is all the fun now to me. Like, we did a lot of random stuff. Well, 9th and 27th Feb. Let's get right into it. Had a lovely week, 2 times drawing classes, one on Tuesday, one the second time today. The final started on 22nd Tuesday and Wednesday were holidays, and then Thursday was the first written exam. So 3 exams, art and craft and 2 written, are over. So happy. Well, so my final exam for class 7 was going on. That means, okay, and my finals is starting soon for class 8. So happy, as I say, happy. Okay, goodbye 9th. Oops. 10th is here. Like, I'm glad that I kept this aside. 13th of March. 13th of March. Hey, yesterday my final exam ended and now I'm super happy. We are watching some Shanni Kapoor films these days. Love and Stay Blessed. Man. Look at how silly I was. Look at these. Like, I feel super stupid having written that in. 11th, please. Come on. Thank you, the washing machine, for stopping for a while. I don't know. 11th, written on 21st March. Okay, let's see. So it should have been on 20th. I have written it on 21st. Had quite more than fun all throughout the week. It's a Sunday that I'm writing this, and tomorrow we are heading to Digha. All set! Great! I mean, it's been so much fun during those weeks, and this year probably we are not going anywhere. So by 11th, that's, oh, it's spinning. Come on. 12th and 27th of March. I think probably we have come back from Digha also. Writing this on 30th of March instead of 27th. Had really fun getting to watch Wonderful Dreams, watching a lot of films these days, and again after coming back. Okay. 13th. Oh, there you go. That's 13th and written on 3rd April 21. Nothing special to say, but I'm so happy today. This week has been super fun. Made my first charcoal painting. Read an amazing short story by Ruskin Bond. Had the first storm on 4th. Love. Okay, first storm of the year, must say. There's go. I don't know. Sometimes I'm so stupid. Like, it's again filling up though. Good. 14th, I think I kept here. Yeah, 14th. I'm 14 now. And 10th, 4, 21. It says written on 17th maybe. I'm writing for 10th that we had a wonderful week. Watched films and enjoyed it pretty nicely. Workouts were done too. Sorry for being late. Okay. Let me first say something. Oops. Okay, it's a lot of chits though, so if you get bored, then I don't have to say anything. But if you're interested in knowing something about me, then you must keep on watching. Let's go. Oops. Oh! It's like that's sneezing. Okay, it's the 15th and the date is 17th of April. Good. Pretty much on track. Thursday saw 4 films, 3 short and 1 medium size. Workout has been done today and had the second thunderstorm today. Yay! Look at this. This is me being me. Again, you go in there. Then let's see where 16th is. Must be here. Let's see. Yeah. Huh? 16th. 24th of April, and we're almost close to being the half year. It's Monday. Nothing much of an interesting happening nowadays. Other than this weekend I didn't study but watched films, YouTube, and moved out of writing stuff. Moved out of new writing stuff. I forgot what it was. Anyhow. Next comes 17th. I saw that I had wrote a mixture of notes, I think. 17th will be very difficult to be found out. Let's see, maybe we just have, but I'm panicking for no reason. Yeah. Now I can't believe throughout May and June too, I remember, I didn't write. So it was like, see, 1st, 8th, 15th, 22nd, 29th of May 2021, written on 5th of June. Are you like crazy? Written on 5th June? 5th June? Oh God. So, since I haven't written to you, I'm sorry. So anyhow, all I have to say is that I'm doing very good. Watched such wonderful movies and I'm blown away. I don't know which films I watched by then, but anyhow, last year was a bombardment of films. So, yep. This for the 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st and 22nd weeks of that year. There goes 23rd, written on 12th June 2021. It says critical analysis. I don't know what, but let's just see what it was. I don't even know. Fantastic. I've been waking up on time even before the time, watching movies, doing activities, started working on the literature work and also bullet journaling on a diary. So things are planned, but I have to be a little more competent. Can you see that little emoji? Anyhow. Oh, critical analysis meant I was doing the critical analysis of 2 poems. Actually, that's why I was doing critical analysis. So I'm going to search for 24th. 24th, please. 24th, 4th, 4th. That's 25th, 6th, 24th. Like, did somebody say that I didn't have a 24th week last year I mean? I just didn't get the 24th one. Like, why? Unless I missed. I don't know. So 25th is written on 26th of June 21. Let me see, when was 23rd written? 23rd was written on 12th. 12th plus 7th was 19th. So 19th I didn't write anything, you mean? Man, I just didn't want this thing to happen. And now, just look at me. I didn't have 19th of June in my life. I don't even remember what had happened. It's like, my bad luck and yours bad luck too. I don't know. After 23rd that you saw, just right now, you know. Oops. We have 25th. Let's go through this only. It was written on 26th of June 21. So working harder these days. The working out didn't happen. Yesterday was a little too much. Too much, yeah. Now I guess my day of Monday and Tuesday, I'll have my English language oral. Any day of Monday, yeah. Nothing special. You just want to see it. Yeah. Like my mood suddenly dropped. Sorry. 26th is 3rd of March, or sorry, 3rd of March, 3rd of July 2021. Yeah, can you see? Let's see. Lots of happenings. Number 1, got a programmer. What? Got a program. Okay, got a program. My video is doing pretty well. I feel I'll bang this terms exam. I did. I'm getting my height stabilized today. What? Slowly? I mean, I'm getting my height stabilized slowly. What does that mean? I don't know. Like, hey, look at me. What does that mean? I said I'm getting my height stabilized slowly. Was it abnormal? Yeah, of course I have been trying to grow, but what does stabilization mean in this case? I don't know. But this is me. Just, oops, maybe this is better. Okay, bye. Then we have 27th. Yeah. Written on 10th of July. The previous one was 3rd, yeah, of course. It's written, drawing class cancelled. I got my HRX sweatshirt in. Oh my god. Completed choreographing a song to dance on. I said about the program, so I had to choreograph my own dance performance. Ultimately, which wasn't included in the program. Sorry. But I have it on my Instagram, so if you're interested to see, I'll leave a link to that post and also to my Instagram handle as always. Do check that one out. Great. Such great fun. I just absolutely am loving everything. By then, I just didn't know that your dance was not going to be included. But anyhow, let's do it. 27 is done, so 28 now. Oh, sorry. It's written on 17th of July. Hey, I shot the Independence Day program dance today. This was fun, but a little difficult too. Yesterday I created a look for me to recreate today. Anyhow, I've said that also. I still didn't know that my program was going to be cancelled out of it. Ooh! This was hard. Sorry. That's all. 29th. And the date is 24th of July. Woohoo! Yay! I have been working on my channels and they are saying yes to me. I'm getting more video ideas these days. The exams are starting from Monday. I have shot, edited, uploaded and scheduled 2 videos today. Bye! I did so much for the sake of my process. Sorry, not understand me or whatever. 30th is like right around the corner and the date was 31st of July. Blah! Or whatever. Yeah, blah. I'm super happy with my channels. They are constantly outperforming the other in terms of subs. The exams are pretty much going well. 2 new videos came up today. Got 3 subs yesterday and today. Made friends with Kathy. Love you. Okay. Yes, Kathy was like somebody from Philippines, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, that is one thing. And some backstory. So June, July, last month, July was the time when I started getting consistent on both of my channels, as you all must be knowing, because there was this article that I probably will link to for if you need some help with, that I got many, it was like 119 or so video ideas, and from that, I think you can never run out of video ideas from there. So that is when my YouTube channel started growing at a very fast pace. Channels actually, to be better specific. So yeah, I mean, I'll link to that. Do check that one out. Just help me nail it. And it was like, it was so cool. Okay, I think that's all for the 30th one. Oops. So it was 30th, 31st, yeah. 31st. Oh, it should have been written on 7th of August, but I wrote it on 8th of August. Anyhow, me being me and lazy and whatever. Sorry, I'm a day late. Actually, yesterday I was just watching YouTube. I absolutely forgot about you and my list. What is the list? Oh, to-do list. But other than that, I'm doing super good. But my editor kind of gave me a tough time and things got delayed. Yes, at the time I think I can get you what I meant to say. By that time I was using Viva Video, I think. So that editor suddenly kind of turned against me and it just was not exporting the video and all of that. I think that was when probably I should know. Maybe? Why did I delete KineMaster then? I think randomly. And because I was not able to install KineMaster again, I think I chose to go with Viva Video and that was doing great. And then finally, That kind of gave me a tough time. So it was the time that I deleted Viva Video, and I was trying to edit that video over and over and over again, and it was not happening. So finally I am like the editor which I use now, it's called Video Maker, or it gets like Video Guru, whatever it is. So yeah, that editor came up for me and I absolutely freaking love it. So yeah, there you go. Oops. Yeah. 31st. 32nd. The date was 14th of August. Let's see. The bigger notes are starting to come in. Hello, going good here. Became a fan of another person. Stupid? No. My channels are at a plateau stage at the moment. I'm trying my very best to keep my videos well optimized, and with every new video I produce, I get new spirits of growing my babies. Hoping for the best. These 3 days are mine. Hope I'll remember that. I'm enjoying, that's all. These 3 days are mine. Bye. I don't know. Become a famous fan of another person. I can understand very well who that person is. Probably not. Yeah? Fan of another person. Yup. Yeah. No. My first guess was wrong. I have to do it fast, so let's get right into it. We did 32nd, I believe. Yeah, so let's get down for 33rd. If that made sense, there was one. Just don't tell that I missed. Okay, yes. This is 33rd. Did you say 33rd? I don't know. 21st of August. And it says, super productive this week. Got Friday a holiday. Dance exam got pretty well of a thing, I believe. And today was a bit busy of a day. I have pretty much covered everything on my to-do list, I guess. Short edited a couple videos. Now I will maybe edit a little. Couldn't work out, but hopefully tomorrow. My videos are doing well, so fingers crossed. Hope to have a better week. Like, yeah, there goes. 34th. Like, don't pin at me, don't come for me being so little in a hurry. 28th. Love you! Got the 40 subscribers mark and 125 subscribers mark. Views are up, reached 1500 views on Trishanta Girl with No Niche. At 43 there and 126 over there, that one. Got some very good marks, super productive this week. Almost completed the to-do list. Gonna do some more from the list and strike them out and write some more. That is next week's list. This week has been super fun. Shot 2 videos today. One is edited, uploaded and scheduled, and the other one is waiting to be edited. We'll upload it tomorrow. Hello Tom. So that means tomorrow. So it's a lot of productivity going on. I have to shoot 2 videos one day. Superb. So this is 35th, 4th of September. And it says fun. Got 4 days holiday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Yesterday Papa said we'll go to Newmarket after 2 weeks. Excited, my diaries came in time. Drawing class was done and made a little feast. Planning has been started for the next art class feast. Good going, channel is growing. Creative ideas, actress is a little slow, but that's okay. Feeling like shooting a video now. So all in a good week of holidays. Shoots, studies and fun. So it says all in a good week of holidays, shoots, studies and fun. Great. I've like literally spent the entire of 2021 in a different mood only. So that's 36th. Cool, fast. 11th of September 2021. Like, good evening, though I totally forgot today was a video day. Realized it when I got the notification of a premiere in 30 minutes. Apart from that, just completed writing a video of my shoot that tomorrow. Yesterday I got a pimple on my chin. Next Saturday going for marketing. Initial yay channels at a plateau. Got my books delivered this Wednesday. Started reading. Great going. Got to know today that the eligibility for the community tab is now 500 subs. Wonderful. So can you just help me get to 500 subs on my other channel? I mean, I'm at 140 plus. So can you just lead me to 500? Please. That's it. Like, you know, at least community tab is important. Sometimes I have important discussions or what do you say? Announcements which I have to do, and I hate performing videos for that. Anyhow, 37th. Come on, fast. 37th. Oh, come on! I have just 7 minutes left. That's so much. It's 18th of September 21, and let's see. Good day. So this week has been fun. Went for marketing on Thursday. Today happens to be a chance two to new market. Vlogging now. My tripod isn't functioning all that well. Managed that with some red tape. Cleaned the showcase of my room yesterday. Anyhow, fingers crossed. So can you say which vlog I did on this day? Like, can you just say? I'll link to that in the end screens. I'm doing this for no reason. I'll link to that in the end screens. Do check that one out. That was my first official vlog in the channel, and you should do it. You should watch it like anyways. Okay, bye. 38. Woo! Come on, fast. And this is 25th of September. Let's see what this is. 25th is my friend's birthday. Okay, good evening. It's been a long week of not doing anything. Today's video is doing pretty well. Ranking number 3 as of last seen for views, along with the original one. The large charger is doing all crazy stuff and behaving abnormally. Dance is good, going good. Worked out this week, homeworks are done. Hopefully activities are beginning next week. So my charger gave me a very tough time. I'm not expanding on that at the moment because I don't have much time. I would have if I would have otherwise had time. I don't know. So 38th is gone. 39th, like pretty much close to the end of the year. It's 2nd of October, Gandhi Jayanti. Had a fun week, but a long one too. Doing all these activities like machines isn't all that much easy. Scripted a video, ordered a pair of mugs, a book, a diary, and a set of 10 notepads. I ordered the diary in secret, but anyhow the video is doing well enough. Just a bit tired now. It's almost night 11:30 now. So bye. It says, like, you know. There goes. So 40th, please. 40th. Come on, cooperate. Just, yeah. 40th. It says 9th of December, 9th of October, written on 10th. So sorry. Like, you know. Like, I am a forgetful person, very much. In the end of the year, I became much more. A crazy week to be confessing here. Yesterday, oh god, has been so much hectic to be able to write this note. So that's the reason. Video yesterday's ranked quite high up in the search. Alrighty, very ambitious to grow again. 2 subscribers yesterday, not necessarily for the video, but anyhow, still feeling weird about how hectic yesterday was. Hectic of not doing anything. But probably I think it was when I went to my uncle's house last year. Yeah. 9th of December. Oh, you know? Losing my mind. Very small one. Yeah. 41st. 4 minutes to go. 16, 10, 21. Fast. Make it fast. Come on. The Kumari portion has been successfully done. This puja week was so much fun. Vlogged the fun parts. Now I'm editing them slowly. Wish me luck. School is going to reopen on Thursday. Friday will be the last class before the exam starts. Preparing for that too, slowly but steadily. Reopen on Thursday, and then Friday will be Thursday. Friday will be class. And bless me for my finals now. I hardly think anybody would. 42nd, come on. 42nd, I don't know. I think it wasn't very visible though. Really? Okay. This is on 23rd of October. Let's see what that is. This day, oh god, very productive but very demotivating and hurting as well. The internet now has been playing tricks on me. I hate that. I had saved the day's internet to watch movies, but as soon as it was half an hour, I got a message as 90 and 100% over. There was no 50% usage alert at all, no idea. But anyhow, this week has been a mixture of work and holidays lately. All good. Like 2 emojis at the same time. This begins with this and ends with this. Anyhow. So 43rd, please. Even if I have one. 43rd, yeah. 43rd. 30th of October. Oh my minutes. Pretty cool week. Cycle today. Workout has been quite decent thus far. Added bonus was dance practice and trying out meditation. It has been quite fun. Exams are fine around. Preparations are still going on. This week we have drawn and laminated my previous charcoal arts. Alright, see you next week. It's been like pretty nearer. Oh, alright. Hurry, please, come on. 44th, please, come on. Please. 44th. 44th! Oh, yeah, 44th, 45th and 46th of of the week, written on 6th November 21, sorry. So sorry, I completely forgot about you. Everything from Diwali to my birthday celebration to my exams are over. For some reason my marks were too low to my expectations. Anyhow, better luck next time. Now I'm in the Christmas celebration program 2021. I'll have to sing a song, so I chose and that one got approved. Nextly, I'll make Papa write the consent letter and send it. Then the preparation should continue. Alright, very excited for everything. Plus school rehearsals in school. Oh my god, I don't have much time. This was done on 46, sorry. So 47 written on should have been written on 27th of November, but written on 28th. So this is so extremely sorry. I just forgot yesterday. Oh my god, it was just so busy yesterday. I was all puzzled up. I went to school yesterday. It was such fun. There's a lot coming up. So excited, immensely grateful for everything. I'll try to be on time from now on. Saturdays only. Next Saturday too, I'll have to go to the school, but I try my best. Thank you. Okay. There's a surprise in my hands. You know what? I got 24th. I got the 24th week of last year. I can't believe it was just I was sitting on it. So doing really good. The school or classes resumed on 16th. Watched a wonderful film today. Cancelled an invitation due to the continuous rains. Recorded a video written on 26th. I did on 16th as well. Exercised, danced. So that invitation was to Prem's house. Okay. I'm so happy that I eventually got that. So last one I did. Did you say? 47 was done, so 48 now. Okay, so like I have deleted a lot of different stuff. So 4th of December was when it was written. Let's see, it was so extremely sorry. Saturdays are way too busy these days. Going to school, coming back, greatly being tired, disturbed, lunch, dinner and all of that are taking a huge amount of time. Plus my sleep cycle is completely destroyed. This week extra sleeps only happened on a couple of days in a week. That's 2 in the afternoon for 20 to 30 minutes max. I haven't worked out, danced or anything. It's just a hive of activity. Hope to be regular here. Yup, my sleep cycle has been like nonsense. Okay, so 49th and 50th have been written together. Date being 11th of December and 18th of December 2021. Respectively. See, I had to, okay. I just completely forgot, but somehow I reminded myself to get back to you and also write one more. I seriously am telling you that I have been lazy, but yet kind of wonderful in those weeks. All I can say is you are going to be read out loud in public soon. Be prepared. Love you, Atrishandra. Yeah, I have written this like last week or this week or whatever. When I'm shooting this section. So this is 51st, written on 25th of December, and today is the 27th. Damn! It's almost the end of the year and it's unbelievable. I should have kept the 52nd week too, but I can't. I have to have you uploaded soon, but who knows, I'll maybe do that too. I'll have one more week to complete this month and year. Fingers crossed, but then the thing will be hectic. But this week we've officially started prepping for the finals and the activities are still not started. Yes, I have started now that I'm filming this, but like, you know, it's a lot of things. Yup, you guys, that's all. I mean, what I need to tell you is that I had told you that I will be sharing what's inside this box in one of my videos on Creative Ideas Athrace last a couple of weeks before, I guess. It was Creative Ideas, no? Perhaps, maybe in my school going video or something. Okay, so like I'll play that thing for you so that you can see what that was. There's something that I do with this box every Saturday. This is fun, this is interesting. I will be telling you more about this in my next week's video. So remember to turn on the notifications if you're interested. And can you see or can you hear it? And that is fun, I promise you. But anyhow, I pretty much really like it that this year, Unexpected 21 has been quite unexpected and will start unexpected 2022. pretty soon from this Saturday that the upcoming Saturday of when you're watching this, or perhaps the first Saturday. The first is the Saturday, so I'll start that. We've done it. And have you watched yesterday's video on creative ideas? Because I have shared all of my New Year's resolution over there, so do check that one out. You can check that one out a little later too, but before that you should check out the blog if you haven't already. Then if you have, then I'll link it in the end screen, so do check that one out. Okay, so that's pretty cool, and I hope to see you in my next video as well. And if you haven't checked out yesterday's videos on my other channel, please do check out that one, because I have a lot of announcements that I have done on that thing. A little bit of announcement maybe, but I think you should need to know. And otherwise, like, we are good to go. Happy New Year again, and I hope you have a very fresh and wonderful year ahead. And all the best to everybody, all the best to my friends for the final exams, and wish me luck for my finals too. Like class 9 and